Valentine shouldn't just be around you and your partner. Spread love to people around you, those that cannot afford some things. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, if you're new, my name is Chinoyelum, and in this channel we'll talk about beauty, lifestyle, natural hair, DIYs, tips, and a lot of other good stuff. So if you like the sound of that, please don't forget to subscribe. So in today's video is going to be a lifestyle video. So in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you a few gift ideas that you can give your man, your woman on a Valentine's Day. We all know that Valentine's Day is just two days ahead. So if you're looking for something simple, immediate gift idea that you can give to someone, so I'm going to be sharing with you about 11 gift ideas that that you can give to someone on Valentine's Day. It could be your husband, it could be your wife, it could be your girlfriend or your boyfriend, whatever booing, whether you're booing the man or the guy is booing you, whoever that is involved. So this gift idea is for you. So I wrote some of them in the paper in case you see me looking at the paper. So number one gift idea that you could give to your partner is make a video expressing love to him or her. It could be like you can just make a video like maybe getting your pictures, the pictures you've taken together all the while we've been together, get the pictures collection, turn into a movie. You can use some of these apps that you use for editing videos. Just turn into you can now be saying something like how much you love him, how much you love her, how he has influenced your life since he or she has influenced your life since you've been together and all that. So make a video of telling the person how much you love him or her. You understand? You know me, I like that kind. I like to hear such things. So it makes me like feel like I'm on top of the world. So I think so many people will also appreciate it, especially the guys. You know, they love to be told how much they mean to you and all that. So number two video idea is a personalized picture frame. Personalized picture frame. You can get a picture, maybe the picture of the first day you met, maybe the first picture you guys took together. Frame it. You can use an old frame in your house. Just frame it and gift it to the person as a gift. These are the kind of things that makes me want to go gaga, you know. So just personalize a picture of both of you together and frame it. Is a very good gift idea. The number three is a perfume. Who doesn't like perfume? Me, I love perfumes. Who doesn't like perfume? Any man or woman that does not like perfume, any boy or girl that does not like, then something is wrong with the person. So me, I love perfume. So if you're giving to your man, you could give him his favorite perfume. You could, if you're giving to your woman, you could give her her favorite perfume, or you could even give her your own, as in a perfume that you like very well, that you would love to see her wearing. So she'll be glad to wear it because she wants to smell good for you, baby. She wants to smell good for you just because you are gifting it to her. So and you are gifting it to the person. The person is so going to appreciate, and perfume is what anybody can use. It's not like some gift that you give to someone and the person will just dump it. Oh, thank you very much, I love it. Oh my god, thank you so much, I appreciate it. But at the end, the person is not going to use it. But perfume, everybody uses perfume. Even if you have your own perfume, once in a while you want to try something new. So if you gift it to someone, the person will definitely use the perfume. So number four gift idea is goodie baskets. These things, even though some people are in lockdown, these are the things things that you can easily get available. You can order them online. You can just get them if you're in a country where there is a lockdown for now. But if you're in a country like Nigeria where we don't have lockdown, it's just like you need to wear your mask, and can easily go out to the supermarket and get all these things. So get a goodie basket or a goodie box. Put his or her favorite snacks like all these chocolate, biscuits, so you know those orishirish, all those things that you know that the person likes to snack on. So put them in a basket, put a written note inside it. Oh my god. Oh my god, put a written note inside it, and they're like, oh my god, I love you so much and thank you for being part of my life. You know, stop. I won't be the one telling you what to write now. So put a written notes inside the goodie basket or goodie box that you're going to get for him or her. You understand? Me, oh my god, things like that, they makes me go crazy. So but chill. So these are what some of the things you can give. The number gift idea is spa treatment. My favorite part, spa treatment. If you're in a place where there is a lockdown, you can do the spa treatment at home. If you're in a place where you're allowed to go out, you can just get a ticket for spa for both of you, the guy, the girl, the woman, in fact your partner. Just get spa treatment. You can book an appointment. If you cannot book an appointment, you can do this at home. Who doesn't know how to massage body? What you need, just create an atmosphere for spa it could be in your bedroom. If you have a good solid bed if you have a good solid bed at home, just get candles, get flowers, sprinkle it around, you know, those kind of bodies. You can just check YouTube and see some other videos on how to do stuff like that. Give him or her a spa treatment. Get oil, your favorite oil. It could be Neutrogena oil, baby oil. Who doesn't? Everybody has baby oil at home. But baby oil, I won't be the one telling you how to massage all those, touch those areas to ease the stress on the person's body. So give him or her a spa treatment at home. It will, as in, after that day, I'm sure your partner will never forget you. The sixth gift idea that you could give to your partner is bake for him or her. Bake for him. You know his favorite, maybe if he's your partner is the type that like all these pastries, you know his favorite or her favorite, your partner's favorite. Just bake that particular type of thing that he or she likes for him or her, for your partner, and just bake it. You can cook you can cook your partner's favorite meal. You can cook your partner's favorite meal that day. Not just, you won't stop there. Do a good setting on your dining table, like, you know, those, oh my god, all those romantic kind of dining setting. Just do your partner's favorite meal. You could bake for your partner. Do set the dining in a romantic way. Light candles. Maybe it could be a date, you know, that kind of a thing. Just bake, cook for your partner's favorite, where both of you will just sit down and enjoy his or her favorite meal with your partner. So number 7th gift idea is customize a necklace or a jewelry for your partner. It could be a necklace, like maybe if your partner's name is Nonnie, you can say customize the necklace that Nonnie is written, you know, gift it to your partner. I'm sure, I didn't say you should use Nonnie, or use your partner's name. I'm just using Nonnie as an example. So customize a necklace saying Nonnie or your partner's name and gift it to your partner. I'm sure your partner, in fact your partner will wear this well, going to sleep, going to work, going to anywhere that your partner is going to, he or she is going to love wearing it, to tell the world that this was gifted to me by my love, you know. So number 8 gift idea you can give to your partner is date nights. Date night, you can just go out, hang out with just you and your partner in a quiet place, and chill, talk, maybe discuss about your relationship, ways to move it further, things that you're doing. Where it's not the day to complain. You don't need to complain to your partner that day, anything. Just enjoy each other's company. Enjoy each other's company. And if you cannot go out for the date night, you can just set the date night at home. There are so many ways you can create an atmosphere for dates at home. Do it and buy wine, sit down together, watch movie, or watch your partner's favorite program with your partner, and you know, stuff like that, things like that. It might look simple to you, but it goes deep, as in there is this feeling it gives to your partner, like feeling of fulfillment and like happiness. I don't know how to explain it, but there's this feeling that it gives to, like me, there's this feeling when you give me such treatment, I will feel like a queen, as in I'll feel like I'm on top of the world and everything. So could give that to your partner. But number 9 gift idea is this one. Is if you want to go spend some money and maybe you can easily get it, just personalize your a blanket or a pillow. If you're giving it to a guy, you can just personalize his get a blanket and personalize. You can just write his name there, he put his picture, you know. I don't know how to just, there are so many ways they do it this time around. If you're giving it to a girl, you can just like do a throw pillow, personalize it, putting her picture, putting a write-up on it and all that. Just gift it to your partner. I'm sure that, in fact, if your partner, if it's a blanket, I'm sure your partner wants to sleep with it every day. If he wants to, if the girl, you cannot come to her house, you just be holding and whenever he or she holds that, to be like even if you're not around, the person will be feeling your presence close around him or her. So personalized blanket or throw pillow for your partner. Number 10 gift idea that you could give to your partner is a customized or personalized tumbler cup. You know these fancy cups that they use for coffee, you see your name written on it with your picture, stuff like that. Just if your partner is like me that loves to drink tea a lot, can personalize the cup or tumbler for him or her, so that whenever he or she is using it to drink tea, the person will just be like, oh my god, my babe gave me this on a Valentine day, and I can't trade it for anything. So I'm sure he or she will like it. Me, I would love it. So number 11th gift idea is, this one is for guys especially. If the gift idea is for guys, like if you're a woman and you want to get it for your guy, you can just, if your partner is the type that loves maybe music, and there are some type of music that he likes, just make a collection of that music and burn it into a CD or a CD, so that he can easily play it, whether in his car, in the house, or wherever that he he likes to play music. Just gets his CD collection. Bonus for this thing is, if you can give to your partner flower. Like this one is for ladies, flowers. I know some people that, like we Nigerians, most of us, we don't value flowers, but flower is very, especially when it's fresh flower. I don't know if there is a way you can get hand-picked flowers there, but give to your partner. You can just do a bouquet and send it to her office, like telling her, putting a handwritten note there, like, babe, I love you, my life would have been meaningless, stuff like that and all that. So I'm sure your partner is going to enjoy it. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not subscribed, and join this amazing family. And if you like my hair, the video of this DIY crochet kinky crochet wig, headband wig, is on my channel. You can check it out, how I use a canicolon hair to achieve this wig that you're seeing here. I will also try to leave the link in the description and up here or here, so you can go check them out. But remember, Valentine is not a day you kill yourself for because you don't have a date or something like that. It's not a do or die affair. In fact, to me, I feel every day is Valentine's Day. I feel love should be celebrated every day of our lives, and it's not a day to like kill yourself because your man or your partner did not give you a gift. Your partner did not give you a gift. You don't need to kill yourself. Just let it be. What matters, the best gift that you can give to someone is showing the person love. It doesn't mean material things. Just tell the person how much you love him or her, and how much you are lucky to have him or her in your life. And also spread love around. Like me, what I usually do on Valentine's Day is I'll cook food. I'll cook plenty. If you see me and you think I'm doing a party, I'll just cook food like this, get gifts. Sometimes my neighbors, if it's school, my neighbors around the hostel, I'll take food to them. Then I'll carry it to the motherless babies home, show love and share love with them. So those that cannot afford some things, try and show them love and make them feel loved and pampered. So guys, I will see you guys in my next one, and I love you guys. Bye.